Kirinto toingi ndi rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya Daktari Samuel William RUTO na ariritie kwibangania kwa Kenya kenda gukaria biacara nthiguru na kere Rais RUTO naugite thirikari ni ibanganitie na njira cionthe kenda gutigira ni kwaonjorithia kanya ga kuonjorithia nthiguru ya Kenya.
For those of you who are coming here for the first time, you're most welcome. And we look forward to building the relationship between.
Faster than that, we are more than happy to do that. So, Mr. President.
The final product, and this is very satisfying, and the agreement that we have done, edible oils, we also got a beginning point from which we can be.
We will waive visa requirement for Indonesia. For everybody. In fact, we are having a very big debate as Kenyans as to whether we should have visa at all. Because I'm a scientist by training, and science has proven that Kenya has the earliest remains of man, remains of human being have been traced to Kenya, meaning that even you guys in Indonesia, you started from here. This is home. And we are asking ourselves, if this is home, who requires a visa to go home? Yeah? So, and that is one of the reasons why you should also invest in Kenya, because it's always, they say, east, west, north or south, home is best. So you should find an opportunity to invest at home.
We hope to complete initial agreement during President's visit to invest in an oil in a refinery in Kenya. So by next month, and I push to CEO Pertamina to finalize this with her counterpart in Kenya. We export to Europe 3.5 million tons of palm oil per year. But I reported to the President Joko Widodo before I came here. I think we're going to divert 1.5 million tons of palm oil to Africa. So gradually. So then we like to see maybe the Kenya as a hub in this area. So we can have to do it within gradually within 5 years. And if we can do it even faster than that, we are more than happy to do that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.